Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Open Green Energy. In this video I will show you how to make a beautiful solar jar. The solar jar can be used in multiple ways, from flashlight to decorate your garden or pool. Here I have used my latest version of solar lamp PCB. The new PCB can support varieties of LEDs like straw hat LED, color changing RGB LED, candle flickering LED. At last it also supports fairy string light. Guys, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. Please hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Please follow me on Instagram so that you will get updated on my all the project works. So now without any further delay, let's move to make the project. To make this project, you will need the solar lamp PCB, IC QX5252F, an inductor, diode, a ceramic capacitor, slide switch, LED, solar panel, a rechargeable battery, battery holder, and finally two JST connectors. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. You can order high quality PCB from JLC PCB at only $2. The ordering process is very simple. Just upload your Gerber file and you are ready to go. I have ordered 5 PCB for my project. You can see the PCB quality is extremely good. Now we can move to solder the components on the PCB. I always prefer to solder the components according to their heights. So I first solder the diode, then the inductor, then the ceramic capacitor, and so on. All the components names are properly labeled on the PCB. So I hope you can easily solder the components without any confusion. After soldering the component, you can trim the extra leg by using a nipper. You can order or download the Gerber file from the link given in the description below. The links to all the components which are used in this project are given in the video description. Here you can use the LED according to your choice. But to demonstrate the working of different type of LED on the PCB, here I am using a female header so that I can easily swap between the different type of LED. After soldering all the components, the PCB is ready for use. Now we can move to prepare the glass jar. First drill a hole on the glass jar lid, then insert the JST connector wires and connect it to the solar panel. During the connection, be sure you are connecting to the right polarity. The red wire connect to the positive terminal and the black wire connect to the negative terminal. I have used a 3M double-sided tape to mount the solar panel. Seal the drilled hole by using hot glue. After mounting the solar panel, we can move to prepare the battery holder. Connect the JST terminal wires to the battery terminal wires. Be sure you are connecting to the right polarity. That means the red wire connect to the positive terminal and the black wire connect to the negative terminal. Insulate the bare joint part by using heat shrink tube. You can mount the battery holder by using double-sided tape. Similarly, you can mount the PCB on the lid by using double-sided tape or by using hot glue. After mounting all the components to the glass jar lid, you can connect the solar panel and battery terminal wires to the PCB. Now the solar jar is ready to use, but before first use, I will recommend to place the jar on bright sunlight to charge the battery. Now I am going to test the solar jar. First insert the LED, then turn on the switch. Cover the solar panel to check it. I will show you how I have used different kind of LED to get the different type of effects. Use your own creativity to make different kind of effect. If you make this project, then share your photograph with me on my Instagram handle. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Have a nice day.